Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing great. In this video, I'm going to show you how I created this look. This look is extremely festive, guys. I created it for Navratras, but you can honestly wear this for any Garba function, or if you're going for a wedding to maybe a Gujarati family, they will just love your makeup, guys. So if you want to know how I created this look, please keep on watching. But please take a moment to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And now let me show you how I created this look. To start with, I'm going to first do my eyebrows, and for that I'm using the M.A.C Cosmetics Superbrow cream, and this is in the shade Mud Oak. I'm going to first run a spoolie all over my eyebrows in the same direction as its growth, and then this is an angular brush that I'm taking again from M.A.C, and I'm just going to lightly fill my brows. Once I'm done with that, I'm going to take a brown eyeshadow, and the one that I'm using is from Kiko Milano. This is in the shade Smart. This is just a regular brown eyeshadow, and I'm just going to run it all over my brows wherever I have applied the cream eyeshadow, so that the cream product from M.A.C, so that I'm just going to able to set my brows. Then I'm taking the M.A.C Crayon Concealer, and I'm just going to create a line right under my brows, taking it all the way to my eyelids. And with a flat brush, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to spread it all over my eyelid. This will cancel out the discoloration and all the veins that can be seen on my eyelid, so that I have a clean canvas to work my eyeshadows on. Then I'm just taking my beauty blender and running it all over it, so that wherever I have uneven products, it'll just pick it up and make it more even. For my eyes, I'm going to use the This Is All I Need eyeshadow palette, and this is from Tann Beauty, and it is such a beautiful palette, guys. You can check out my review on how to use this palette in more than 5 ways, and I am going to use the shade Nude, which is a perfect nude color, and I'm going to apply it right over my crease, the natural crease. I'm just tapping it, and then I will just blend it out. Then I'm going to take a MAC 217, and with this shade over here, which is the Bed of Roses, I'm going to apply it on my crease. If you will notice, I'm using the flat side of my brush because this works perfectly. And now with the tip of my brush, I'm going to take the Pinot Noir just with the tip of my brush, and I'm going to apply it very lightly on my crease, so that it just gives a little bit depth and dimension. And as you will notice, I'm tapping my product first wherever I want it, and then I am further blending it. And to further blend the harsh edges and to buff it with the previous shade, I'm going to use the flat side of the brush and then blend it with the Bed of Roses shade that we applied right before this. Then I'm going to take the shade Bonfire with my finger, and I'm going to apply it generously on my lids wherever we did not apply the eyeshadows. Then with the flat shader brush, I'm just going to blend out the harsh edges, because this is going to be an extremely soft cut crease, so we don't want any harsh lines. And with the tip of the flat brush, I'm just going to blend out the harsh lines. And then going back with the MAC 217 brush, and with the shade Pinot Noir, I am going to apply a little bit more eyeshadow on the outer corners just to make it a little more intense, and I'm going to blend it out in circular motions. Then I'm taking the black shade from the palette, and with the lightest touch, I'm going to just apply a small winged eyeliner sort of a thing. And I'm actually just going to apply it only in the outer corners. Then taking the same MAC 217, and without taking any more eyeshadow, I am just going to diffuse both the colors together. Then I'm going to curl my lashes, apply some mascara, and finish it off with a pair of false lashes. The mascara that I'm going to use today is the Voluminous Lash Paradise Mascara, and this is from Loreal, guys. This is such a nice mascara. But the only thing that I don't like about this is that it's waterproof, but that's just my personal choice, because I don't tend to easily remove waterproof mascaras. But this actually, increases and lengthens the lashes instantly. And while my lash glue is drying on my lashes, I'm just going to clean the fallout that has happened underneath my eyes. And I am going to apply some primer from Forever 52. This is the Gold Water, and this is such a light primer, guys. It is beautiful, and I'm going to apply it all over my face. I like to do this while my lash glue is drying because it can also take in some time to sink into my skin, and that's why I prefer to do it while I have applied the lash glue on my lashes. Then to correct my under eyes, I'm going to use the PAC Take Cover Concealer, and this is in the shade Orange. Then to correct my under eyes, I'm going to take the PAC Cover Concealer, and this is in the shade Orange. I'm going to apply the ever so slightest amount because this is extremely pigmented. I'm going to apply it on the areas where I have darkness and a little bit pigmentation. Now you can see how pigmented this is. So I'm going to apply it, and I am just tapping it so that it literally sinks into my skin. Now, if you feel you have taken too much, then the trick is to take a beauty blender, and this is a damp blender. Just run it all over the places where you feel that you have overdone with the corrector, and this will just absorb the excess product. For my foundation, I'm using the Forever 52 foundation, and this I have taken only 2 pumps because that is more than enough, and I'm going to apply it all over my face. Then with the damp beauty blender, I am going to blend all of the foundation all over my face. And to conceal my under eyes, I'm using the LA Girl Pro Conceal in 2 shades. I'm using Natural and Pure Beige. And to contour my face, I'm using the shade Toast. Using a PAC brush, I am just going to tap it, and I am just going to blend the concealers under my eye. I'm not going to tap extra so that we will just remove the product, and that will not be very helpful. And to blend the contour on my nose, I am going to take an angular brush, and this is again from PAC, and I'm lightly going to just tap it and then blend it out with my finger or a damp beauty blender. To set my face, I'm using the Forever 52 Wet and Dry Compact Powder, and the way I'm applying it is I'm taking a makeup puff, and I've taken some product on my puff, and I'm just rubbing it on the back of my hand, and I am just going to press it under my eyes first, and then just pick up the product from under my eyes because I have applied a little bit too much, and I'm just going to set it in pressing motions. So I'm not going to go on top of the contour because there we will be applying the contouring powder. I hope you guys can see the difference between the places that I have set and where I still have to set. You have to try this technique, guys, and do let me know in the comment section down below if it was helpful to you or not. To contour my face, I'm using the MAC Cosmetics Vivid Victory Face Palette, and I'm just going to lightly apply it on the places where I have contoured my face with the cream product. Then with the same palette, I'm taking the blush, and I'm just going to apply it on the apples of my cheeks. And with whatever's there on the brush, I'm going to lightly run it on my chin and a little bit on my forehead along with the bridge of my nose. For highlight, I am going to use the same palette, and I'm going to apply it on the highest points of my cheeks. To finish off my eyes, I'm going to take the shade Highlight from the palette, and I'm going to apply it in the innermost corners of my eyes just to make them look a little bit more brighter and wider. And then I'm taking a smudge brush, and with the shade Pinot Noir, I'm going to apply it in my lower lash line, connecting it a little bit to the upper eyeshadow. Then I will finish it off by applying mascara in my lower lashes. And before we move on to lipstick, I'm going to take a wet wipe and clean off the excess products or the foundation that is on my lips. And the lipstick that we are applying today is from Forever 52. This is the Super Stay Lip Gloss in the shade Bleached. And then I'm going to apply a bindi. And just to brighten up my look, I'm going to take a red lipstick, and on my ring finger, I'm just going to apply it lightly. And I'm going to tap it on my lips, only on the centers of my lips, so that my look just gets a little bit more brightened up. And this is my final look, you guys. I hope I just had that silver nose pin that could be just attached on my nose, but nevertheless, this is my final look. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I loved and enjoyed creating this look. Honestly, this look has turned out to be so pretty, you guys. You can wear it not only for a Garba or Navratri function, but you can wear it for any other occasion. And these 3 dots around the eyebrows and the chin is completely optional. So I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, please show me some love by clicking on the thumbs up button in the bottom bar. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And I will see you very soon in my next video. Till then, take care. Thank you so much for watching, and happy Navratras.